I'm going to make myself a plectrum out of this stuff. Burn it. Okay. It is a pretty cool material, and I think it's going to make a nice plectrum, and I need a nice plectrum. Who doesn't? So yeah, pretty cool. I'm going to use this as a template. Yeah, that'll do. To the saw. This is essentially the same process as cutting out an inlay. So yeah, jeweler's saw, fine blades. I need to find my blades. They're off stage left. Tripped over an amp there. These are really nice skip tooth blades. All right. Leveling beam. Leveling file. Slipped off the edge, and that's what fingernails are for. There we go. That looks pretty cool. I need a divot in the center. I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to do that. Angle grinder? Angle grinder. Dremel. Yeah. Yeah, let's do this with a multi-tool and a Saburrtooth bit in it. There you go, little carving bit. First of all, masking tape and super glue. It's actually probably a little bit too much. There you go. Accelerator, and we're done. Don't forget to wear goggles, whatever you do. There we go. Okay, so this is the yellow. Fine. Use eye protection. I'm going to leave that finish in there as well. Come to think of it. Pop that off. Yeah, so that's the joy of the masking tape and super glue trick is you have little to no. There was too much. I done messed up. There we go. And we go over and do the same thing again. Then essentially it's just a case of finding the shape you want. This would be easier. I could masking tape and super glue this to a blank or to the end of a rod or something. But I think I'm happy just holding it in my hands, really. Come check it out. It's as easy as that. You should try it. Absolutely. Ow. Nope, it's easy just to hold it. Been meaning to play with this material for a while, and if it works, well, maybe we'll end up making plectrums of crimson or something. Could be fun. Shh, that didn't happen. All right, turn her over. And you make that a little bit bigger. Doing that with a CNC or something would be. Come on. Far preferable. All right, let's have a close up where we are at now. So it's yeah, coming together. And we have a 3D shape. Not particularly refined 3D shape. That hard edge there needs to be sorted. Coming together then. Okay, so this is just now, just the final shaping, rounding things over. I do like this shape. Now, I'm not putting this into production because this is somebody else's plectrum shape. This is my favorite plectrum at the moment. I really like how it's massively thick, and I normally play with white shark fins. So you know how thin I normally go. This is by a company called Ezzetti Picks from Italy, ESSETIPICKS.com. And I was at a guitar show recently, and one of the salesmen who was working on the PRS stand, I came up and he said, "Oh, Ben, how you doing? Yada, yada, yada." He introduced me to, well, he gave me this plectrum. I was playing one of the John Mayer models and all that jazz, and I fell in love with his plectrum, and he very kindly gave it to me. Okay, so I've finalised the shapes a little bit, and I'm going to go off with some 320 paper, and let's see what sort of finish we can get. Come on. Oh, no, too old for this. All right, so at this stage, there's quite a lot of sanding, really. I assume. I haven't made a plectrum in 4 years, something like that. I'm trying not to sand inside of the indent. I actually like the feel left by the Saburrtooth. Okay, so I am now going to go away. I'm going to use 400, 600, 800 grit at least, and then we'll try and polish it and see what it looks like. So this is where we are at with, without polishing anything. We have a pretty good finish. There we go. Just polishing it up through the grits with wet and dry paper. I could have spent another 5 minutes, but that's fairly cool. Now I'm going to take it over. I'm going to put it on a polishing mop on there. You could use a mop on the Dremel. Actually, I'm going to do that. That's easier. So this is a little polishing mark. Don't forget goggles. Polishing compound. Now, doing it this way. Doing it this way, I can much more easily avoid that central detent. Oh, hell yeah. That's pretty bloody cool, isn't it? I am so happy. I'm tripping over things, sorry. I collect old tools, and this is a fantastically cool, it's a, focus. It's an antique centrifuge for separating blood out. Isn't that cool? I have vintagetoolshop.com specifically so that I get cool things like that for myself. Anyway, I've digressed. I love this. I do think that it doesn't look quite so nice there. There we go. I think that having the central dimple done on a CNC machine, so it's actually perfectly in the center, that would be make a difference. But yeah. Now let's see if the material lasts long enough, I suppose. Anyway, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I hope that it has been somewhat elucidating, has taught you something, and been entertaining in some way, shape or form. Making plectrums is one of those things that pretty much anybody can do and should do. It's great fun. Once this has been tested, and if the material does work, then I'll let you guys know what it is. And if it lasts long enough, is the thing. And we'll go from there. Please click like and subscribe. Consider supporting our Patreon. This keeps the lights on and the videos flowing. Instagram, @CrimsonGuitars. There's all sorts of behind the scenes things and answers and questions and stuff. That is my mechanic. I've got to go. You know how it is. Goodbye. I forgot one thing. This is a plectrum. You're supposed to use it. It does not feel like it's 3.2 millimeters thick. Funnily enough, I can feel how one of the central things is slightly off center. That would need to be done a little bit, maybe with a template of some sort. But yeah, as a plectrum, as long as it lasts, I love it. Thanks for watching.